Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the fourth trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Tata Power, where the company's net profit is up by 25% at 1,309 crores. Revenue is again up by 8% at 17,096 crores. EBITDA is up by 39% and margins are reported at 19% versus 14.7% on yearly basis. Along with that, board recommends the final dividend of 2.25 paisa per share. The next stock which you need to look at is Jubilant FoodWorks, where the company's net profit is up by 93% at 49 crores. Revenue is up by 19%, EBITDA is up by 19.7% and margins are reported at 19.2% versus 19.1% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Eicher Motors, where the company's net profit is up by 27.2%, 1,362 crores. Revenue is up by 23%, EBITDA is up by 11.4% and margins are reported at 24% versus 26.5% yearly basis. Along with that, company recommends a final dividend of 70 rupees per share. The next stock which you need to look at is Muthoot Finance, where the company net profit is up by 42.7% at 1,508 crores. Net interest income of the company is up by 36% and company achieved the highest ever consolidated loan AUM, which is up by 37% on yearly basis and increased at 1,22,181 crores. The next stock which you need to look at is Apollo Tyres, where the company's net profit is down by 48% at 184 crores. Revenue is on a flatter side, which is up by 2.6% only at 6,423 crores. EBITDA is down by 18.5% and margins are also contracted by 3.5%, reported at 13% on yearly basis. Along with that, company reports the exceptional loss of 119 crores, also recommended the dividend of 5 rupees per share. The next stock which you need to look at is Karnataka Bank, where the company's net profit is down by 8%. Net interest income of the company is down by 6.4%. At 780 crores. Gross NPA is reported at 3.08% and company's net NPA is reported at 1.31% on quarterly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Torrent Power, where the company's net profit is reported at 1,060 crores. Revenue is down by 1.1%. Along with that, EBITDA is on a flatter side, up by only 1.9% at 1,130 crores. Margins are reported at 17.5% and company recommended the final dividend of rupees 5 per share. The next stock which you need to look at is Hitachi Energy, where the company's net profit is up by 61.8%. Revenue is up by 11.1% at 1,883 crores. EBITDA is up by 31% and margins are reported at 12.6%. Along with that, company recommends the final dividend of rupees 6 per share. The next stock is Piramal Pharmaceuticals, where the company's net profit is up by 51.5% on yearly basis. Revenue is up by 7.9%. Along with that, company's EBITDA is up by 6% and margins are reported at 20.45% versus 20.8% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is Gensol Engineering, because IREDA files insolvency application against Gensol Engineering for the default of 510 crore rupees. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.